Good morning. So we're starting out today in the bedroom. I need to make my bed. I also need to wipe off the tables and stuff like that. Then we're gonna go in the bathroom and clean the shower, floors, everything in there needs to be cleaned today. So my nose is stuffed up. If y'all hear that, colder weather outside. Anyways, my friend Megan from Love Meg created these quick cleaning bursts where she uploads videos multiple times a day, which is very unique. So I wanted to give her all the credit for this because this is not my idea. I did not come up with this. She did. And so definitely go check out her quick cleaning burst. I will put this in a playlist in case some of y'all just want to wait till all these videos are uploaded, but I'll probably have at least 3 videos today, and then we'll do some more tomorrow. So I'm out of breath. We're gonna start out in the bedroom. We're gonna get this room cleaned up.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Alright, bed's made. Now I need to clean up this area here, and then also, I'll show y'all, turn you a little bit. I need to clean up that area over there. And I need to clean up this area right here. It always gets so dusty and cluttered, so that's what we're going to work on now.
Stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are.
Alright, so I'm done with the bedroom. I've got my tables cleared off. Now we're going to go in the bathroom, and this sounds really funny, but I'm actually going to use my vacuum cleaner first. Get anything I can up with the vacuum cleaner. That way when I go to wipe down things, I'm not moving around all these dust particles on the surfaces, because that happens especially when you clean your toilet. You're always going to have like hair, little pieces of fuzz, like just random stuff on the toilet, and it It's like so hard to get clean. So I'm going to use my vacuum first in here, and then we will go from top to bottom and wipe everything down, including this shower because she needs it desperately.
Just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are. Just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, then we'll shout it out louder.
You'd think I was weird, but that is all from this bathroom. Every bit of it. So, just make sure you clean off the nozzle really good when you're done. That way you're not carrying bacteria everywhere else around your house. But it works really well.
'Cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way we are. Just the way you are. Oh, just the way you are.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Alright, so to clean the inside of the toilet bowl, I am using this Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner. And I'm also going to use it in the shower as well. But my review on this is it's not strong at all. Scent wise, I was using Kaboom Foamtastic, and that stuff will make you leave the room. So I use this instead, and then I'm gonna flush with that in there. Okay, put there. Then I just like to spray this down too. Then I'll rinse it off later. Okay, I forgot to wipe off this little handle. So the last thing we're gonna do in this video is the shower. So after we get done doing the shower, I'm gonna let y'all go. But after this, I need to start some laundry, so that's what you're going to see in the next video. And I need to start a pot roast for tonight. So after we get done cleaning the shower, definitely come back a little bit later on today, and I will have that other video out for y'all with laundry and cooking. And then maybe we'll just do like a little after dark clean with me in the kitchen / put away dinner after we're done with that. So it'll be like a full circle.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.